stink.
No, it's right there.
What'd you guys throw in?
A cigarette butt.
Oh my god.
Don't sing! You idiot!
Someone put their hand in there.
You come put your hand in there. You'll float.
Can't believe they're freaking out this much over a fucking cigarette butt.
I almost got it. Hold on. Hold on. I get it.
You're gonna fall.
No, I'm not.
Hey, you hurt.
Hold on. Fuck it. Right down.
It's true.
I almost got it. Get by the Get right here. No. Yes, you won't fall.
That echoed.
Don't poop in your yard.
Great, there's sirens. You see what you guys did?
There's no sirens.
I did hear sirens.
You're a jackass.
This is going on YouTube.
No!
Yep.
Me screaming because of the dog?
Oh my god.
I have a hand, honey.
No, I didn't. Without me falling in, goddamn!
No, let her fall in.
You fucking bitch, shut up! Adrian! Got him! Oh my god! Was that your phone? My phone! Oh shit! You fell in?
That's the what?
Dude, the second we get to
Get the
Danny's,
fuck out of there.
The second we get to Danny's, ask for rice. Leave it in the rice for 2 days.
Fuck, he's gonna kill me.